Hello, everyone. It's this week's crypto episode. I'm Jam,
I'm Cons.
and we are two bros interested in finance. Crypto. Sad times, but it is what it is. We know this market. At least we got our profits. And yeah, that's about
Yeah.
it. But let's just start with the last 7 days. So, CoinMarketCap 20 index is up 1.15% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin 0.25%, trading around $70,000. Ethereum is down 1.5%, nearly 1.6%, trading around $2,000. Ripple had a run this week, uh, up a bit more than 10%, trading around $1.6. BNB is down nearly 2%, trading around $630. And Solana is up nearly 3%, trading around $90. Uh, so you can say that, and it is very fair thing to say. That Bitcoin is like around 70%. Are we $70,000? Are we coming back? We are not in 60s anymore. Like it dropped to $60,000. We are not coming back. These are bull traps. These happen in the crypto market, and these are very normal moves. But these things happen, and they're just gonna keep happening. Don't think that we are coming back. Don't think that this is the beginning of a new bull run. No, we finished the bull run. The highest was the ATH was $122,000, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And now we are in the bear market. As I said in the last episode, just be careful out there. Don't fall for the traps. And yeah, that's about it. So, and there isn't much news going on in terms of like crypto either. So there's nothing much to talk about crypto in terms of crypto anymore. But yeah, this is about it. Like I actually don't know what to say. And the only news that I can give you is that the MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor news that you also sent me. And he was saying, oh, if Bitcoin drops to this price, we'll refinance. No, bro, you're not gonna be able to
God.
refinance. Nobody's gonna give you a
Oh
chance
my
to
god.
refinance. You're gonna go bankrupt. Just accept your fate, like at this point, and don't give false hope for the market. You are one of the biggest Bitcoin holders. Actually, the company MicroStrategy is the biggest holder after Satoshi. But Satoshi is just like a really weird holder. But yeah, that's about it. So yeah. What you say about all this, especially with
Uh,
Michael Saylor? Because I know that you sent me a
yeah.
meme about Michael
Yeah,
Saylor
but
as well.
it's
So yeah.
no, but yeah. In general, I just want to touch on the crypto thing. Like, right, it's been 2 weeks, and I think right in the last episode, you called it right with the bearish moves that are coming, and I think like what was it? Maybe the day after when you cleared your positions. I don't know. I think it was after the episode. That's what I remember, but really close to it.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, looking at what happened afterwards in the last 2 weeks where we didn't record anything or didn't do any videos, I just, bro, free fall. Like crypto doing crypto things, the stuff we haven't seen in a while.
Yeah.
I think I was actually nearly nice to see. For me, it didn't hurt, of course. I mean, for you, it didn't hurt because you went out. That was a nice move, I have to
Yeah.
say.
I don't have
Avoid the
I don't have
pain,
any more
bro.
crypto holdings, by the way. Zero
Yeah,
crypto
yeah.
holdings anymore. I'm not
Uh,
holding any.
but yeah, I feel like you avoided the pain, right, as well.
I
That's
mean, I mean, this is the thing with crypto for me at least. Like, I don't buy crypto with how I buy stocks. So with
yeah,
stocks, I essentially buy them and tell myself I only buy, I don't sell. My strategy with
yeah, yeah.
stocks. But in cryptos, I have this like different strategy where I start buying in the um, bear market, which was like around 2023 in the previous one, where my average was around um
Twenty seventeen.
it was around like 23%, yeah, literally. Um which I was happy with. So I am just waiting for the price drop as well. If it drops below 50, which I don't really see it happening, I'm gonna start buying again. But that's my strategy with buying cryptos. Like I don't hold them for a very long time. I just hold them in terms of when it's the bear market, and when it is not the bear market, I just sell. This is my strategy with crypto. In terms of Bitcoin, I really want to have a wallet from now on where I'm going to have a couple of Bitcoins just to keep it, just to leave it to my kids,
Mhm,
as
mhm.
a heritage. But other than that, I don't see crypto um as a huge investment potential. I just see it as a seasonal investment.
Mhm,
So
mhm. Like
yeah,
more like a
that's about it.
trade. Yeah. Now you
Yeah,
treat it more like
exactly,
a trade,
exactly.
right? Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
No, but
essentially. It's like a very long-term trade, like a 2, 3 year trade, but like it's not going
yeah.
to be stocks for me where I hold it like for like at least 5 years. Do you know what I mean?
No, no, I feel you.
So yeah.
Um, but yeah, it's I mean, it's really interesting because the way it dropped as well, like all the way. I mean, from what I see, let's say it hit around 60K. So I think that
Hmm.
that flash drop that was really like surprising that it happened so quickly. But I just want to touch on the thing that you're very bearish on Bitcoin crypto right now,
Yeah, yeah.
or you think
Right now,
we
yes.
fully set up bear market. And honestly, I can see you. I can see that. But you know what I always feel like is happening with the market, and what I feel like in like social media or around my friends or also with you, doesn't matter. When there's this fear, and when I start seeing the stuff online, Bitcoin is dead. It's going to zero. This stuff is done for, see you at 10K, whatever they write, right? You
Yeah.
know that you know how it is, right? So whenever I see this, I feel like I can't feel bullisher than ever. This is when I feel super bullish for
Hmm.
something like, especially crypto, and it might be a rebound, like you say, a bull trap. Um, but I feel like when you hear this negative stuff about crypto, I mean nothing has changed in crypto, right? It's still the
Yeah.
same. It doesn't really change that much either. Like you said, there's not much news, right? Um, but I feel like these are the times, okay, bear market might go in. But if you're not invested in crypto and you're talking about the next I don't know, 1 to 3 years, and you buy in now, I mean, from my perspective, you'll be in plus and probably with a very decent return in 1 to 3 years time, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, let's see. I'm curious how far it drops. I think it can reach the 50. Shit
Yeah.
happens quickly. It can also go under 50. I think that's totally possible with crypto. Um,
Hmm.
but it can reach also the 100. I wouldn't be surprised just to like you say, the bull trap. But yeah, otherwise, just the only thing I would like to mention as well is, because I'm feeling bullish in crypto, I've increased my Coinbase position last week a little bit.
Yeah.
And yeah, I told you about it, but yeah, Coinbase was trading at around $400 a couple months back, and now it's trading, I believe, below $200, $160. So I'm actually bought in again under my entrance. I took profits. I actually really similar to your Bitcoin holding. You took you
Yeah.
took your earnings, your winnings at 100K around the same time where I took some winnings from Coinbase, and yeah, now I have started a little bit adding a little bit again, and if it drops more, I'll add again. But yeah, I guess that kind of reflects that I'm a little bit uh, bullish on Coinbase, seeing the price drop. And I think the earnings weren't too bad either. I mean, it's a crypto exchange earnings. I don't really care about
Mm.
that so much for that. But yeah,
Yeah.
otherwise, I don't have so much to add regarding this
I mean, the
crypto-wise.
actually isn't. We're just going to wait and see, and this is a really annoying market for crypto market right now. So, like, we're just going to wait from now on and hope that this bear market is not as painful. But right now, crypto is in a free fall, and this is what happens with crypto, and this is kind of annoying in a way that um when it was increasing, we didn't see this like we didn't see this, like when you're talking about crypto, we always talked about this when there was what's it called? When the institutional investors came into the market with these like ETFs and everything, right?
Mhm.
I always kept saying, oh, the characteristics of the market has changed and it's not increasing as much anymore. Like we don't see those like really volatile movements and so on. But when it's decreasing, we see these like volatile
Mhm.
movements, which is quite annoying. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a bit annoying, but we're just going to wait and see, I guess.
Yeah, for real. But, one question I have for you is, like, what
Yeah.
mark of Bitcoin you wanna see, bro, for you to re-enter? That's the main question. It's a tough one, I feel like, because of course it's gonna develop a little bit differently, or how Bitcoin is acting up in the next couple of months. But yeah, what's like a mark, like around what do you say where you think, "Oh, now it's
I think
definitely worth."
if it reaches 50, I'm gonna go in again.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. No, no, it's fair.
So
Fair.
that's my thing. Is it going to reach 50? Questionable, because like okay, the problem with this market right now is we just entered the bear market. I mean, we were in the bear market already because like technically, like technically bear market is like if it's not increasing more than 5% or whatever in like 3 months or something, there's this like technicality with
Yeah,
the
yeah.
bear market. But I'm talking about the not the theoretical or the technical bear market, but I'm talking about like the proper bear market.
Yeah, yeah.
When it's like when the market says that, oh, we are in a bear market right now. Um, and right now we just entered the bear market. So like right now it's around 60. So if it drops all the way down to 30 from now on in the next couple of years, I wouldn't be surprised. Do
Mhm,
you know what I
mhm,
mean? But I'm
mhm.
not sure if it's going to drop because like right now it's already in 60s. If it drops to 50s in the next couple of months, like I would expect lower than that.
Yeah. Mhm.
Because we just entered the bear market. Because like it's on a free fall. At one point, it's just going to start like doing sideways moves. But if we just entered the bear market, and we just gotta wait and see at this point.
Yeah, that's the problem with, like, who knows what kind of bear market it is
Yeah.
as well, right? Like, if it's a
Mhm.
long dragging
Yeah.
one like we had in 2022 or 2023, because I feel like that was a long bear market, right, for crypto.
That was a very, very long bear market. Because like the thing about crypto is this is the reason why I don't invest long term in the crypto. Because like crypto market has these like cycles,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
They have these like cycles. That's why I'm just like waiting. After 2020, like stocks market had a huge run as well in 2020, right after COVID, right? In 2021, around like like after COVID,
Mhm.
it was COVID that crashed it, and after COVID, that there was this like huge market where Bitcoin hit like $80,000 at that time,
Mhm.
or not 80s, 60s or 80s. I think it was 60s, like 64 or something.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
before that, we had this like huge bear market for a very long time. And after 2020, it went all the way down to 15,000s, 20,000s, right? And those
Yeah.
were the times when I started buying. And I started buying in 2023, and we started seeing the bull market in 2025. So I'm just waiting for that cycle. That's the main thing.
Mhm. No, fair enough. No, I
So
can
yeah.
see this happening as well, honestly. So, like, with crypto, so unpredictable. So, let's see.
Yeah, yeah, very, very unpredictable. Very, very unpredictable. But yeah, that's about it.
Yeah, I would just touch on
Literally.
gold and silver a little bit quickly,
Yeah,
1, 2
yeah, go for it.
minutes. And it's been doing all right, very volatile in the last 2 weeks as well, had an up and down. I've been watching it more closely since since it's been reaching these all-time highs. But yeah, even in the last month, gold is up nearly 9%, while silver is down 17%. So these moves are a little bit concerning for me these days. I feel like there is a little bit, I don't know, there's like bubble feelings, just looking at the graphs of gold and silver. I think we talked about this last time as well. And now we kind of see how the market is reacting. I think I believe silver was at like $120 and it had a 30% drop, right? A
Down to
couple of weeks
80 right
yeah,
away.
yeah, down to, and then it went down all the way to like 50, like it went up again, like 10%, then down 20%, up next day. I think we'll talk about this in the stock episode anyway. Like volatility in general these days is so uncertain and so like up and there.
Very.
And but yeah, I'm not concerned because we're both not invested in gold and silver, not directly, I guess. But yeah, I'm watching it. It's very interesting. I'm a bit concerned for people that are buying in, at all-time highs now at gold and silver. I think it's not the wisest. Um,
Yeah,
but yeah,
don't jump on the train. Yeah, like it's
yeah, yeah.
already gone for.
Nah,
Yeah.
nah, for real. And I think before, a good time to enter the market is something that I don't know, when there's some cooling down phase. Like the same with crypto,
Yeah,
really. Like it's really, really
100%.
volatile right now. So let's just sit it out, see when it relaxes a little bit, people forget it about a little bit, and then maybe more better to invest during that time. Yeah. Otherwise, nothing else to add regarding gold and silver.
Okay. Okay. Then let's just end it. Because this is actually what we can talk about. There isn't much going on. And the socks episode, I think there's
Yes,
more to
sir.
talk about it. Okay.
Hmm.
Thank you guys for watching. You guys know the drill. Your grandma, your grandpa, just like it, subscribe, share everything, and catch you guys on the next episode. Bye bye.
Ciao, ciao, guys. Ciao, ciao.